Here's your 60-second script. Every transformer and motor core quietly wastes energy through invisible swirling currents, and most engineers never calculate exactly how much. That's eddy current loss, and it's stealing efficiency from your designs right now. This free calculator gives you the exact loss in seconds. Just plug in your peak magnetic flux density, frequency, material thickness, electrical conductivity, and core volume, and it instantly returns your eddy current loss in watts. Let's try it. Say you're working with a silicon steel core, flux density of 1.2 Tesla, frequency 60 Hz, thickness 0.5 millimeters, conductivity around 2 million Siemens per meter, volume 0.001 cubic meters. Hit calculate and there's your loss value ready to plug straight into your efficiency analysis. Whether you're designing transformers, inductors, or motor cores, stop guessing and start optimizing. Use the free eddy current loss calculator, link is right below.